Good morning, CMS. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. We are going to be standing for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu for Wednesday, October 21st is the new item. All right, that new item is Monte Cristo sandwiches. You've got ham and white American cheese inside French toast. It sounds like an interesting combination. Honestly, it could be like the new discovery. You know, when they accidentally made like, is it putty? I think it was putty, or like flubber. I don't even think flubber's a real thing, but it came into a movie. So they accidentally discovered flubber, okay? They mixed two things together, bam, it was awesome. So, with that being said, the Monte Cristo sandwich is being sold October 21st, which is today for you guys. All right, now also we have MOG fries, sidekick slushy, and fresh fruit. Fresh fruit, yeah. Okay, now, choice B. Cold Italian sub with salami, ham, cheese, shredded lettuce, and tomato with Italian dressing. Baked chips, that's for choice 2. Now, we aren't going to be doing, apparently, the food for tomorrow, but that's okay, because we would like to give a huge shout out to and wish the 7th and 8th grade volleyball teams good luck against Streetsboro in the semifinals of the league tournament. So good luck, ladies, as you battle it out with Streetsboro. Now we move on to the Thursday's menu. All right, Thursday's menu is choice A, open-faced roast beef fries. I'll say that again, open-faced roast beef fries, sliced roast beef and beef gravy on top of oven-baked fries. Lots of beef in there, lots of beef. All right, and twisted garlic breadstick, cucumber slices, rosy applesauce, and fresh fruit. Choice B, stuffed crust pizza. I'll say that again, because it came out all weird. Choice B, stuffed crust pizza. There we go. All right, now, breakfast is the Cine Mini with pears and milk. Ooh, we've got a new announcement. I'm excited. Fundraising with Tri-C Distributors. Oh man, this is what I get for not getting any sleep last night. All right, so fundraising with Tri-C Distributors. PTO is getting a head start on fundraising for next year. Many trips were canceled due to COVID. Therefore, we would like to help with the cost of these trips next year. Get some of your holiday shopping done in one spot. Some great deals and gifts for friends and family. There are also some neat prizes offered for the top sellers. This sale begins October 22nd and it ends November 11th. There's a website link that can be found on the morning announcement webpage or Mr. Madigan's blog. So make sure to check that out. We're trying to raise some funds for some field trips. All right, the very difficult to pronounce Red Ribbon Week. Red Ribbon Week. Red Ribbon Week. You know what? I'm not doing that bad, but you try to do it 10 times fast or say it 10 times. Honestly, it all gets jumbled. Wednesday, October 28th, district-wide. Wear red. It's a spirit day. Be happy, be brave, be drug-free. I'm going to pull the graphic up just so you can also read what I'm reading because I like it. It's pretty cool. All right, there we are. Red Ribbon Week, Wednesday, October 28th. District-wide, wear red. All right, 6th grade shout-outs goes to Sophia Kuba with the White Tigers team. Your positive attitude and humor brightens everyone's day. 7th grade shout-out goes to Logan Letner for helping with technology and can make anyone laugh. Now we go on to the 8th grade shout-out with the extremely visually confusing triangles that are coming at me. All right, I'm going to read this to the best of my Eli Judson for going above and beyond when it comes to being positive and contributing to class discussions. All right, now we move on to staff shout-outs. Those go to Mr. Wilson for his positivity. Congratulations, Mr. Wilson. Wow, the bulletin board is a little full right now. First off, we have October. We've got the 26th to the 30th. That's going to be Red Ribbon Week. October 28th, wear red Spirit Day. So you're going to wear red on October 28th. November, oh my, the end of the first quarter. And then the 9th is the start of the second quarter. And then, of course, we got Turkey Day, which is the 25th to the 27th. All right, the quote of the day. To the world, you may be just one person, but to one person, you may be the world. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. With that being said, it has been a wonderful Wednesday morning, hopefully so far for you guys. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.